ሀገሬ እንደዚህ ነው እንደምወድ ወይኔ ስሜቱ እንዴት ደስ እንደሚል እኮ
እግዚአብሔር ማለት ነው አይድል ነው እንደዚህ ሀገሬን እንደምወድ እንደነበር ወይኔ ጉዳለከስኪ
all right seriously why didn't you guys tell me Ethiopians were this awesome?
But they made us fucking think Africa was such a poor country, bro, such a place you wouldn't want to be at, bro. And speed is single-handedly changing my perspective on life.
የተከበራችሁ የቻናሌ ቤተሰቦች እንደምን አላችሁ? እንግዲህ እንደሚታወቀው የዓለም ተጽዕኖ ፈጣሪው ወጣት አይሾ ስፒድ ወደ ኢትዮጵያ መምጣቱ ይታወቃል። በዚህ ምክንያት በሀገር ውስጥም ከሀገር ውጭም ያሉ ኢትዮጵያውያን ድብልቅልቅ ያለ ስሜት ነው እየተሰማቸው። ዓለምም ስለ ኢትዮጵያ ያላትን ምልከታ ለመቀየር ተገዳለች። በሌላ በኩል ደግሞ አፍሪካውያን ኢትዮጵያውንም ለአፍሪካ ኩራት እንደሆነች እኛ የምናከብር የድላችን እንጂ ፍሪደም ወይም ነፃ የሆንበትን ቀን ባለመሆኑ አፍሪካ ኢትዮጵያ ስላለቻቸውም በደንብ በጣም እኛ እንረዳው መሄድ እነሱ ግን ስሜቱን በደንብ ነው የሚረዱት። በጣም የሚገርሙ ንግግሮችና ስሜቶችን እናጋራችኋለን። አብራችሁን እንድትቆዩ በዚህ አጋጣሚ እናሳስባለን። ላይክ ሼር እና ሰብስክራይብ በማድረግ ቤተሰብ እንድትሆኑም እንዲሁ በዚሁ አጋጣሚ ለማሳሰብ እንወዳለን። ቀጥታ ወደ ቪዲዮ እንገባለን ማለት ነው።
ዛሬ ከሀገር ውጭ ያለ ሀበሻ እንዳለ ማለት ነው ሲራመድ ምናምን ነገር ደረቱን ገልብጦ ነው ማርያምን እንዳለ በቃ የሚጠይቀን እንዳለ ምናምን ነገር ኧረ ሀገራችሁ ምናምን ነገር እያለ ነው ማለት ነው። ደብሊው ዛማ ኢትዮጵያ ፒፕልስ ዛሬ ማርያምን ታሪክ ነው የሰራ ነው። ያራዳ ልጆች ይመቸን።
ይቺታችን በጣም በሚገርም ሁኔታ ነው ስሜቷን ስታጋራ የነበረው። እስኪ ተከታትለናት እንመለስ።
ሲጀመር ማለት ነው ዩቲዩብ ላይ ይሄ ሁላ ሰዓት ቁጥራችሁ ስትሪም ማለት ሌላ ታሪክ አይደበደበ ግን ማለት ነው ዛሬ I even feel proud እንደ ኢትዮጵያዊ። oh my god you guys make me happy, you guys make me proud። እንዴት ነው ባህላችንን ያሳየነው። እኔ like I don't know ኢትዮጵያዊ ስለሆንኩ መሰለኝ ደስ ያለኝ ማለት ይቻላል፣ በጣም ይቻላል። okay like ኦቨርኦል ማለት ነው it was በጣም ያበረ የኬንያን ሪከርድ ጥሰናል። ይመቸን በጣም ማለት ነው። ከዛ ያለፈ ደግሞ ማለት ነው oh my god you guys ተመስገን ያልኩበት ነገር ድንገራችሁ እንደሌላ ሀገር እኛ ሀገር መኒ ያለው ሰው የለም which is thank god። ከዛ ደግሞ ያለፈ ማለት ነው የኛ ሀገር ቡና it was so obvious እኮ የኛ ሀገር ቡና ጠንከር ያለ ነው፣ እንቅልፍ ያሳጣል የለመድነው ራሱ እና like መጀመሪያ ጠጥቶ እንደዛ ኢነርጂው ሲሆን ሁለተኛ ለመድገም it was not። ከዛ ደግሞ ማለት ነው ጥሬ ስጋ አሁን እንደዚህ እየተከማቹ እንደዚህ እየተወራረጣችሁ የማይሆን ነበር ማለት አይናው አይገር የሀበሻ ምግብ እናስሞክረው ነው እንትን ነው it was not on point። ብቻ ግን at the end ማለት ነው you guys እንዴት ሾፕ እንዳረጋችሁ everyone was I show speed like everyone ይሄ ሁሉም even መንገድ ላይ የሚያልፈው ራሱ the energy was ወላሂ even ማርከስ ሆቴል ራሱ የሄደ ጊዜ ማለት ነው ሁሉም ሰው ኢነርጂ was like ማንም ኩልኩል ምናምን ለመጫወት የሞከረ ሰው አልነበረም እና I love that for us በደንብ
የወንድማችን ደግሞ እንደዚህ ያለ ንጽህና እንደዚህ ያለ የከተማ ስፋትና ውበት አይተናናጥም በማለት ተደምሟል።
I am noticing that from at least from this video is that it is extremely clean in Addis Ababa, and people think that Africa's dirty, Africa's poor, the people are uneducated, but when we look here we see a very civilized city and there is no western influence here.
ይቺታችን ደግሞ ማበድ ነው የቀራት ማበድ
ከመኝታዬ ሳልነሳ የአይሾ ስፒድን ላይቭ ስትሪም መከታተል ጀመርኩኝና ወይኔ ሀገሬ እንደዚህ ነው እንደምወድ ወይኔ ስሜቱ እንዴት ደስ እንደሚል እኮ ማለት በቃ ናፍቆት፣ ስስት፣ ደስታ የተደበላለቀ ስሜት ነው የሚሰማኝና ወይኔ ጉዴ ይህን ቪዲዮ የምሰራው ማርያምን በቃ አቅቶኝ ነው በቃ የሆነ በመሀል አቋርጬ ደምቀሽ ታይልኝ ሀገሬ
በጣም
እግዚአብሔር ማለት ነው አይድል ነው እንደዚህ ሀገሬን እንደምወድ እንደነበር ወይኔ ጉዳለከስኪ አሽቃባጭ ነሽ በእምነት ለምድ ያሽቃበጥኩ አይደለም ሆነስሊ እንትን አሁን የላይቭ ላይ ያዩኝ ማለት ነው። ከዛ ስትሪም ያዩኝ ከዛ ይሄ እንትን ምንድነው እዛ ጀግና ወዲያ ይዘው የዛ ሰውዬ ምናምን ነገር ሲል የምርጋየው አለቀስኩ። ከዛ ቪዲዮ መቅረጽ አለብኝ ያቋርጬ መጥቶት ባይዘው ወይ እግዚአብሔርን የምር ኢሞሽናል ሊሆንኩት ሲጀመር ሀገራችንን አንወዳትም እንላለን እንጂ ብሮ እኔ ምንም አይደለም። ጌታ ኢየሱስ ወይኔ በእምነት አሁን ጓደኞቼ ራሱ ይሄን ቪዲዮ ሲያዩ ሙድ ነው የሚይዙብኝ ያስወራል። አማንኛውም እንቀጥላለን እስኪ።
All right. Seriously, why didn't you guys tell me Ethiopians were this awesome? Why didn't you guys tell me that Ethiopians got so much love to offer to the world? Why did you guys tell me? In fact, I just discovered that Ethiopians are the heart of Africa. Ethiopians are the true motherland. Ethiopians are the amazing people. In fact, my Ethiopians, I must visit Ethiopia. I must come to Ethiopia. I must. It's a must. In fact, guys, words enough are not enough to express the feeling I'm feeling right now.
ትክክለኛ ኢትዮጵያን የሚወድ ህዝብ እንዳለ ትረዳለህ። በዚህ ላይ በቃ አለቀሰ በቃ ይሄ ነው ኢትዮጵያዊነት፣ ይሄ ነው። ምንም እንኳን ብንገፋ፣ ምንም እንኳን በጠላቶቻችን ብንሳደድ፣ ምንም እንኳን በወንድሞቻችን ብንታረድ፣ ኢትዮጵያዊነት ግን ኢትዮጵያዊነት ነው። መቼም ቢሆን ዝቅ አይልም። ዝቅ ያለ ቢመስልም እንደ እሳት ቋያ እንደገና እየተቀጣጠለ ይመጣል ማለት ነው።
Bro, they made us fucking think Africa
was
such a poor country, bro. Such a place you wouldn't want to be at, bro. And speed is single-handedly changing my perspective on life. Like the music in Africa, the culture, everything, every single aspect of Africa just makes my insides feel so good, bro. And it makes me just want to leave America. Bro, I feel like America is the trap. America is the trap. The American dream is the trap. Everybody else is free, but not free from America. America's the problem, bro. America's the fucking problem. And I'm ready to get the fuck out of here. Like, Speed, thank you, bro.
ይህ ወንድማችን ደግሞ በጣም አዳምጡት፣ በጣም የሚገርም ነው። ስለ ኢትዮጵያ ስላደረገችው አቀባበልና በአጠቃላይ በዓለም ደረጃ ያሳየችውን ባህልና ውበት በጣም ተደንቆበታል ወንድማችን።
Another job well done. Ethiopia was excellent. Addis Ababa, baby. And we saw Ethiopian speed. Then Zimbabwean speed popped up out of nowhere. The vibes between these three was awesome. And seeing the city, it is beautiful, bro. People don't know Africa, baby. Addis Ababa is developing. They've got their own innovational institutions and stuff. God bless Ethiopia. This cross right here, for those who know, that's Ethiopia, man. I love Ethiopia, bro. You know what I mean? The historical side as well. This was a good stream. They took Speed to Haile Selassie's tomb. I don't think he understood what he was looking at, but it's all good. Me, being the history nerd that I am, I was like, oh my God, that's the monkey's head architecture. Oh, that's based on the Aksumite obelisk. I'll show you what I mean. Monkey's head architecture is this framing right here. It's traditional. It goes back ancient times. And the obelisk is this right here, which is found on top of the ancient Aksumite emperor's tombs, bro. This was good. Like me being a history content creator and history lover, I was just geeking out, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. Then they gave this dude Ethiopian coffee. Look what it did to him, bro. This dude was drained. Imagine he's already hyper. Then he's got the Ethiopian coffee on top of that. Boom, 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 hot. He still continued after that. I'm like, right, respect me. Actually, I would still drink that coffee because I'm not that active, unfortunately. Then these man did the Spider-Man pointing meme. It just was good, bro. They showed him the modern infrastructure, the innovation that they're doing. They've got their own robots. I think they're also doing AI. It was just a mix of good things that they were showing, traditional and also modern, you know what I mean, futuristic stuff. And when it comes to the traditional stuff, they were showing different ethnic groups. Like, for example, the Bana, those guys were on the sticks at the beginning. The Amharan food, the other ethnic groups, sorry, I forgot what their name is. They wear black, yellow, and red garments. Usually, they're Southern Ethiopian people. But they were showing diversity, you know what I mean? And also the food, the sports, the traditional hockey from history. I was like, this is awesome. Perfect stream, bro. Perfect stream. God bless Ethiopia. I am coming to Ethiopia as well. I've added it on my list. I swear down. In the future, all these cities, all these places he's gone to are gonna drain me, bro. When it comes to tourism, I'm gonna be there, bro. I swear down. And me being a history lover as well, I'm gonna have to go see Aksum. I need to see Aksum. I also want to see that castle, the Gondar castle. Oh my god, I want to see Ethiopia. Ethiopia, you've definitely impressed me, bro. I didn't know about the innovation center, the dam and all that. Well done, Ethiopia. God bless Ethiopia, man. They did good. They did good, man.
በጣም የገረመኝ ደግሞ የዚህ ልጅ ስሜት ነው። እያንዳንዱ ባህል በደንብ ያውቀዋል። የኢትዮጵያን ባህል ከአማራ እስከ ኦሮሞ ከትግራይ እስከ አፋር በደንብ ነው የገለጸው። ስሜት ይነካል የዚህ ልጅ።
Ethiopia. Anytime I see Ethiopian content, one thing stands out immediately. History, pride, and beauty run in your DNA. Beauty coming from Ethiopia is timeless. It's elegant, it's royal, it's ancient. Ethiopian women, your features, your grace, your presence, unmatched. Ethiopian men, your posture, your confidence, your quiet strength, powerful. And your culture, from Amhara to Oromo to Tigray to Guraj to Sidima to Afar to Somali, you are not one story, Ethiopia. You are a civilization. Your traditional clothing, your coffee ceremonies, your music, everything about Ethiopia carries identity with pride. Ethiopia is different. You were never colonized because you defended your land. You preserved your language. You preserved your history. When Africans speak of ancient kingdoms and resistance, your name is always written in bold. And this is what the black world must understand. Blackness is not one look. It's not one culture. It's not one sound. Ethiopia represents one of the purest roots of African identity. Nigeria represents another. Kenya represents another. Ghana represents another. The Caribbean represents another. Different expressions, same ancestry. When we stop arguing about who is more black or who is more African, when we stop dividing ourselves by borders that are created by total strangers, those who are not Africans and who are not black, when we start honoring each other's history, then Africa and the black people will become unstoppable. And Ethiopia reminds us where all that began. And to my brothers and sisters in Ethiopia, thank you so much for preserving your history and your culture. Thank you so much for standing firm in your identity. Thank you so much for reminding the rest of Africans and the black world that we came from queens and kings and great civilization. Even your calendar, you didn't allow them to alter it. You had a cathedral before many centuries before Europe had one. You are a beacon when we look at what Africa used to be before Europe invaded. If you're watching from Ethiopia or anywhere in the world, drop your flag and please join me in this engagement to reactivate the black spirit, to bring black people together, not in one geographical location, but wherever we are, that our heart will knit together again, and we can identify ourselves as brothers and sisters, work in unity to reactivate our power, because black is power.
And I personally believe that what Speed is doing right now, without even realizing it, is he's literally waking up the masses. He's waking up the masses from all the propaganda and the lies that the media has fed America, Black Americans, about Africans and Africa. You know, he might not even know it or be aware of it, but he is literally healing generations right now. And trust and hear what I'm saying. Speed was divinely chosen for a time such as this. It might be an innocent thing and look like it's streaming, but a lot of Americans are waking up and realizing they were fed lies. And everything that they learned and were taught about Africa were lies. I have so much more respect for Speed after watching just a couple of days of his tour. Yeah, I'm definitely subscribing.
ይህ አፍሪካዊ ወንድማችን ደግሞ በሚገርም ሁኔታ ስለ ፍሪደም እና ስለ ቪክትሪ በደንብ ነው ያጣጣመው። በጣም በኮሜዲ በሚመስል መንገድ ነው ያቀረበው፣ ግን ስሜቱ እነሱ ጋር ላይ ስሜት ማለት ነው። እኛ ግን ቪክትሪ አሸናፊዎች ስለሆነ ነፃ አይደለም የወጣ ነው። የመጡ ጠላቶቻችን ተዋግተን አሸንፈን የድል ቀን ነው የምናከብር እና ይህንን ልጋብዛችሁና በዚህ እወጣለሁ። ሀገራችን ሰላም ያርግልን። ስለ አይሾው ስፒድ በሌላ ቪዲዮ እመጣበታለሁ። አመሰግናለሁ።
So I'm watching iShowSpeed in Ethiopia at the moment, right? And one of the things that baffled me, right, was there in 2018, right? We're in 2026. There in Black Africans, we celebrate our freedom. They celebrate their victory.
በጣም ደስ ይላል። እነሱ የፍሪደማቸውን ያከብራሉ፣ እኛ እንግዲህ ያሸነፍንበትን እናከብራለንና በጣም ደስ ይላል።
They celebrate their victory. They don't celebrate their freedom, like independence or we got an independence.
እውነት ነው፣ ይሄ ስሜት ነው። ይሄ በጣም የሚገርም መረዳት አለብን።
We don't so far. Can you imagine what it would feel like to be celebrating your victory instead of saying we're celebrating being free?